This is NSAA 2021, Section 1, Question 3. So we're asked to rearrange for Q this expression here. P over 2 plus 3 over Q equals 4 over R. So what will be our first step? Well, I think we should start to simplify this a little bit and get rid of some of these fractions because they're a bit annoying. So what I'm going to do is just start each of the fractions getting rid of that denominator. So if we start with this one, let's times everything by 2 to get rid of this denominator there. So it's going to be P plus 6 over Q, as we've times that by 2, equals 8 over R. If we do the same thing with R, we're going to get PR plus 6R over Q equals 8. And then lastly, let's do it for our Q. And you get PQR plus 6R equals 8Q. So now we've got rid of all those fractions. We still need to find Q by itself, and at the minute we've got Q on either side of the equation. So let's get them onto one side. So we're going to take away our 8Q from this side to move it over here, and take away our 6R and put it over on this side. We get PQR minus 8Q equals minus 6R. So now we have Q all on one side, but there's still two terms, and we only want one. So how do we separate this into just getting one Q term? Well, as both terms have things times by Q, we can just take that out. So we can do Q, and then in brackets, PR minus 8 equals minus 6R. Now all we have to do to get Q by itself is divide minus 6R by this bracketed term here. So we get Q equals minus 6R over PR minus 8. Now this is a correct answer, but it doesn't really look like one we've got on our sheet. So there's one more step we need to do to convert it into our final answer. And that is to get rid of these minuses. So to do that, we just have to flip each of the signs. So this is going to become positive 6R, this will become minus PR, and this will become positive 8. So we get Q equals 6R over 8 minus PR, and that's our final answer, which corresponds to answer D.